Hi, this video contains independence quiz questions and detailed answers which will allow you to enrich your knowledge regarding pro-independence activities. For getting ready information about future uploads, please subscribe this channel.
Question 1. Which country shares its Independence Day with India? August 15th. Answer: South Korea, North Korea, Bahrain, Liechtenstein, Republic of Congo. South Korea and North Korea, August 15, 1945. Invasion of US and Soviet forces ended. Bahrain, August 15, 1971. Independence from the British. Liechtenstein, August 15, 1866. Independence from Germany. Republic of Congo, August 15, 1960. Independence from France. Second question. Who is known as the Nightingale of India? Answer: Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu, 13th February 1879 to 2nd March 1949, was an Indian independence activist and poet. She became the President of Indian National Congress and later she was appointed to the Governor of United Provinces, now Uttar Pradesh. Known as the Nightingale of India, she was also a noted poet. Question number 3. Who is the author of the National Anthem of India? Answer for question number 3. Rabindranath Tagore. Song was originally composed as Bharado Bhagyo Bidada in Bengali by poet Rabindranath Tagore. It was first publicly sung on 27 December 1911 at the Calcutta section of the Indian National Congress. Question number 4. Who was the last Governor General of India? Answer: Rajagopalachari. Rajagopalachari was the last Governor General of India as India soon became a republic in 1950. He was the first Indian-born Governor General, since before him the posts were held by British nationals. Rajagopalachari founded the Swatantra Party and was one of the first recipients of India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna. Question number 5. In which year was New Delhi made capital of India? Answer: 13th February 1931. In December 1911, King George V of Britain decreed that capital of British India would be moved from Calcutta to Delhi. Construction began in 1912 and the new capital was formally dedicated in 1931. Question number 6. Who wrote the famous book India Wins Freedom? Answer is Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, 11 November 1888 to 22nd February 1958, was an Indian scholar, activist and a senior leader of the International Congress during the Indian independence movement. Following India's independence, he became the first Minister of Education in the Indian government. Question number 7. When the first non-cooperation movement started in India? Answer is August 1920. Non-cooperative movement was led by Mahatma Gandhi after the Jallianwala Bagh massacre and lasted from August 1920 to February 1922. Question number 8. When partition of Bengal happened? Answer is 19th July 1905. The decision to effect the partition of Bengal was announced on 19th July 1905 by the Viceroy of India, Curzon. The partition took place on 16th October 1905 and separated the largely Muslim eastern areas from the largely Hindu western areas. Question number 9. When was the first war of independence against British East India Company started? Answer: 1857 in Meerut. The rebellion began on 10 May 1857, commonly known as Sepoy Mutiny. Though unsuccessful, it lasted from 10th May 1857 to 1st November 1858. Question number 10. When the Quit India movement was started? Answer: August 1942. The Quit India movement or the August movement was a movement launched at the Bombay section of the All India Congress Committee by Mahatma Gandhi on 8th August 1942 during World War II, demanding an end to British rule of India. Question 11. When and where Rani Lakshmi Bai, Queen of Jhansi, was killed in fighting with British? Answer: Gwalior, on 17th June 1858. Lakshmi Bai, the Rani of Jhansi, 19th November 1828 to 18th June 1858, was the queen of the princely state of Jhansi in North India, currently present in Jhansi district in Uttar Pradesh. She was one of the leading figures of the Indian Rebellion of 1857 and became a symbol of resistance to the British Raj for Indian nationalists. Question number 12. What was the name of the magazine published by Mahatma Gandhi? Answer: Young India. Young India was a weekly paper or journal in English published by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi from 1919 to 1931. Question number 13. Who put forward the theory of drain of wealth? Answer: Dadabhai Naoroji. Dadabhai Naoroji, 4th September 1825 to 30 June 1917, known as the Grand Old Man of India, was a Parsi intellectual, educator, cotton trader, and an early Indian political and social leader. His book, Poverty and Un-British Rule in India, brought attention to the draining of India's wealth into Britain. Question number 14. In which year the first Roundtable Conference was held? Answer: November 1930 to January 1931. The three Roundtable Conferences of 1930 to 32 were a series of conferences organized by the British government, and Indian National Congress was a participant to discuss constitutional reforms in India. Second Roundtable Conference, September to December 1931, and Third Roundtable Conference, November to December 1932. Question number 15. Who designed the Indian national flag? Answer: Pingali Venkaiah. The Indian national flag was designed in 1916 by Pingali Venkaiah, freedom fighter from Machilipatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Question number 16. Who first addressed Mahatma Gandhi as the father of nation? Answer: Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose used term Mahatma in a radio address from Singapore in 1944. Question number 17. Which movement immediately followed the partition of Bengal? Answer: Swadeshi movement. The movement was an economic strategy aimed at removing the British Empire from the power and improving economic conditions in India by developing Indian nationalism through the promotion of native products and urging people to leave foreign goods. Question number 18. In which section did Indian National Congress declare Purna Swaraj, complete independence, to be its goal? Answer: Lahore, 1929. Purna Swaraj statement. The British government in India has not only deprived the Indian people of their freedom but has based itself on the exploitation of the masses and has ruined India economically, politically, culturally, and spiritually. Therefore, India must sever the British connection and attain Purna Swaraj or complete independence. Question number 19. When was India's national flag hoisted for the first time? Answer: August 7, 1906. The first national flag in India has been hoisted on August 7, 1906 in the Parsi Beacon Square, Green Park in Calcutta. The flag was composed of 3 horizontal strips of red, yellow and green. Madam Bikaji Kama hoisted Indian flag in foreign soil on August 21, 1907 in an international socialist conference which was being held at Stuttgart, a city in Germany. Question number 20. Which act in 1919 was called as Black Act, against which Satyagraha was started by Gandhiji? Answer: Rowlatt Act. The Rowlatt Act or Black Act was passed by the Imperial Legislative Council on 21st March 1919. It empowered the government to punish anyone without trial and judicial review. Gandhiji started the Rowlatt Satyagraha from Bombay and termed the British rule as Satanism. Question number 21. For how many times Mahatma Gandhi was nominated for Nobel Peace Prize? Answer is 5. Despite being nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize on 5 occasions, 1937, 1938, 1939, 1947, and a few days before he was assassinated in 1948, Mahatma Gandhi was never awarded the prize. Question number 22. Gandhiji's birthday of October 2nd is internationally celebrated as. Answer. International Day of Non-Violence. International Day of Non-Violence is celebrated every year worldwide on 2nd October. In India, it is also celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. Question number 23. Name the first women minister of independent India. Answer. Amrit Kaur. Rajkumari Bibiji Amrit Kaur, 2nd February 1889 to 6th February 1964, was an Indian activist and politician. Following her long-lasting association with the Indian independence movement, she was appointed the first Health Minister of India in 1947 and remained in office until 1957. Question number 24. Who gave the slogan, "Give me blood and I shall give you freedom"? Answer. Subhash Chandra Bose. Spoken as a part of motivational speech for the Indian National Army at a rally of Indians in Burma on 4th July 1944. Bose's most famous quote was, "Give me blood and I shall give you freedom." Question number 25. Where is the birthplace of Bhagat Singh? Answer. Layolpur, Banga. Bhagat Singh, born September 27, 1907, Layolpur, Western Punjab, India, now in Pakistan, died March 23, 1931, Lahore, now in Pakistan. Revolutionary hero of the Indian independence movement. If you like this video, then please subscribe for getting more videos. Thank you.